Hey there, welcome to our channel. If you are looking for easy work at home jobs that will pay you daily within 24 hours, then you're in luck. Today, we're going to share with you 15 websites that will do just that. First on our list is Amazon Mechanical Turk. This website lets you perform simple tasks in exchange for cash. Next up is Clickworker, which offers various online jobs like writing, translating, and data entry. If you're into taking surveys, then sites like Survey Junkie, Swagbucks, and Vindale Research might be right up your alley. And if you're an avid user of social media, why not monetize your skills with websites like User Testing and Appin? For those with a talent for writing, check out TextBroker and iWriter. These platforms offer paid writing gigs for content creators. And if you're into transcription work, Rev.com and Scribby are some great options. If you're more of a visual person, then you can try out websites like Shutterstock and iStock, which pay you for your photographs and video clips. And for those who love to teach, VIP Kid is a platform that connects you with students who want to learn English. Last but not least, if you're handy with a computer, try websites like Fiverr and Upwork. These platforms allow you to offer your services as a freelancer for things like graphic design, programming, and web development. So there you have it, folks. 15 websites that will pay you daily within 24 hours. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful content.